All About Drought by Alan Lowe. What is drought? Drought is when there is less than normal amount of precipitation for an extended period of time. This is obviously harmful to nature, especially plants and farming industries, depending on the severeness of the drought. What are some other types of droughts other than decreased amount of precipitation? Increasing temperatures for longer durations of time may also cause drought. This causes more evaporation, drawing out moisture from the environment. What are the major negative effects of drought? Drought is the biggest threat to nature, and farming industries have to deal with this problem every so often. This doesn't only decrease the amount of production of crops, but also the production of dairy and meat products such as eggs, beef, and milk, etc. The World Bank had recorded a 10% increase of global food prices in July 2012 compared to the prices of a month earlier. The prices of food from a month earlier. And when trees and grass get drier because of drought, this will make forest fires more severe, destroying the habitats of many animals and endangered species. Signs of drought: lower water levels in streams, lakes, ponds, etc. Plants not growing, turning yellow, or not flowering. Livestock won't feed as much. Cows won't give as much milk. Chicken won't lay as many eggs. And more forest fires occurring. So, dealing with drought. These are two examples of how people deal with drought and conserve water. The first is dams. They build dams. They store water and give out the water when needed. But some of the drawbacks are during floods, water may overfill the dams and make flooding worse, destroy certain people's homes, and messes up the ecosystems in the river. And drip irrigation. It's a method of watering plants slowly by releasing water onto the trunk or base of the plants. It conserves water very well and is very cost effective. But some of the drawbacks are must be installed properly to work well. Droughts in Hawaii. Currently, Big Island and Maui have the most severe cases of drought. Both of these islands are considered abnormally dry in certain areas that are and certain areas are considered extremely dry. Information from April 30th, 2013. And this is the picture that shows it. As you can see, Oahu is considered half abnormally dry, and Big Island and Maui are considered abnormally dry and they have some areas that are extremely dry. The negative impacts of drought in Hawaii. The top three impacts of drought in Hawaii is agriculture, which is the second largest industry in Hawaii. A total of 44 impacts were reported. Next comes relief, response, and restrictions, which has 13 impacts reported. Lastly comes plants and wildlife, with 9 impacts reported. These reports were recorded from These information were recorded from July 27th, 2012 to July 27, 2013. And this is the picture. As you can see, it impacted the agriculture the most, and it impacted tourism and recreation the least. So this is a fun fact that I included in this presentation. The Dust Bowl. It's an 8-year period of extreme drought. Happened from 1931 to 1939, and dust from the south and north collided together. Um, it's yep. In 1933, over 1 million acres of land were no longer had enough topsoil to grow any crops. And this is a picture of a dust storm during the Dust Bowl in Liberal, Kansas. So this is the areas that were affected by the Dust Bowl, and that's Colorado, Kansas, Oklahoma, New Mexico, and the top of Texas. Then, at the end, thank you for watching.